National President juga National People's Party Conrad ke sangma ubadairu menteri rangba ke Jylla Manipur nek sngi ka artarik no pra lapun kuburam bat pedang sngau bha yo President bertemai juga NPP Manipur State Unit Dr. Lorho F. Zos bat yaki working president ya gani jing pedang buram lale hapo office raikam jong ke NPP Haknik ngilai don langru James ke sangma ubadai working president juga National People's Party hak jing don lang jongki MLA juga party bat kuwei ki Nongialam habakran hagani gejenglang nagalang Dr. Larho walaupun paw ke jingngu ki Nongialam jongki NPP kibala ibit yu ban simti ya kani kakam wat hadin ba ke Jylla Manipur kadon hapadeng jingeh kanat nagle Conrad sangma ubadai national president ubadai menteri rangba ke Jylla Manipur walai kublai kerpang ya Dr. Larho ubala shimti ya kani kakam hakapor kabar don kam naga benda ke Jylla Manipur pat kumjuru ya ke parti NPP kani kadai ke jingkit khlieh kabar don kam hapo ke Jylla Manipur pat kumjuru ya ke parti ha ke Jylla Manipur bat kadon kadau babalei kalong bakong san namar bahapo Manipur kipaj ba ki kendu sibun ke jingeh namar ke jing bom don ke songsuk ke songsai
was an interim president, and I'm so glad that the leadership of the NPP has requested me to take charge of this office. I'm truly thankful. The state of Manipur is going through a lot of turmoil, as I've said. It needs a lot of rethink, a lot of relook into the whatever has been going on. And I think at a time like this, I'm also grateful that the One Northeast movement has also come in. And I'm so privileged to be, come at such a window period. And I'm grateful that we have a huge task ahead of us. The challenges are many, but in spite of the challenges, the rewards are also going to be huge with we overcoming the challenges ahead of us. The state of Manipur is going to come into meet the election. The election year is not very far off. We are at the moment having the president's rule, but hopefully the government of India, the government of the people in Manipur are expecting that something good will come up, that the state will get a new government very soon, and hopefully that should be the way it is. And that will alone probably be able to bring about peace, understanding, growth back into the state once again. We're thankful that the NPP is going to make a great impact in the coming days. NPP will play a very, very important role, and I'm sure that at a time like this when there has been turmoil, a lot of people are looking at the National People's Party as the beacon of hope to bring once again peace and development in the state of Manipur. And today, the leadership in the National People's Party has also appointed a new team of leadership amongst our MLAs, and also probably we will be able to reorganize ourselves even in the state party. New as I am, we only hope that we will get proper guidance from the state, the national leadership, and also those who have been working with the party in the days past. They will come back again and then continue so that we will once again revive the party, not only as, not only at looking at the elections alone, but looking at the people of Manipur who are, so depressed. They have been so deprived of various opportunities. And this will be a time when we will look forward to once again rebuild and take our state also ahead. Not only the state of Manipur comes first, but following that, elections in various other states in the Northeast are also not very far off. And I'm sure that the Manipur unit will continue to be able to bear up to the trust that the party has reposed on us, and that we should be able to work as a team Leadership has been given to me, but I alone, I know that it is not, I will not be able to achieve anything. It is the contribution of each and every one of us, especially from the state of Manipur, so also from Meghalaya and abroad. There are many who continue to love our state, to love our people. The contribution of each one is so important. The state of Manipur has had a very great, history of being related to other states around the state of Manipur. I'm so grateful that in the once Northeast vision, we also have our Maharaja from the state of Tripura, who has also come and given us a boost. And I'm sure that will have a great impact even in the state of Manipur, because Tripura and Manipur share a lot of common history. A lot of things are there. And so, therefore, I look forward to we working together, not only in the state of Manipur, but also in Tripura and also the neighboring states of Nagaland, Meghalaya, and also in Assam, and also maybe even in Arunachal and Sikkim as well. So thank you once again for your being here today.
Dr. Loro, as he takes charge of a very, very important responsibility at a very important time and phase for the state of Manipur, and more importantly, for the National People's Party in the state of Manipur. Friends, the reason why this is a very, very important and a crucial time for the state as well as for us as a party is because Manipur is going through a very critical phase. Apart from the difficult law and order situation, the socio-political situation that Manipur is facing, there is a lot of political uncertainty that exists right now in Manipur. There is also a situation where a large vacuum is emerging in the landscape of the political landscape of Manipur. And hence, it is absolutely necessary for us as a party to be able to organize ourselves and be able to really welcome different individuals and people who may be keen to join the party and seize this opportunity as a political party to be able to take the strength of the party forward in the state of Manipur and in the Northeast as a whole. And that is the reason why this phase, this particular moment, and the appointment of Dr. Loro at this particular time is of paramount importance to the National People's Party. Dr. Loro's experience as a parliamentarian, his experience and his performance in the Lok Sabha and outside the Lok Sabha has been something that we are all aware of. A person who is very soft-spoken, he's always smiling, he's always welcoming, but behind the smile, there is a person who believes in principles, a person who is a God-fearing person, a person who is dedicated to his people, dedicated to the state, and dedicated to the region of the Northeast. And therefore, he presents himself as the ideal person to take over the state of Manipur as the president and take our party forward, build up the organization so that we are ready to fight the elections in 2027. Doctor, on a personal note, I would like to thank you for having decided to join us and to be part of us and to believe us. Believe in the sense when Dr. Loro came in, he didn't ask for any position. He didn't ask for any post. He simply said that I wish to work for the people of Manipur. I wish to work with the people of Northeast. And I see the National People's Party as the most appropriate platform to do that. And that's why he came into the party. And that's why we felt that it is important to be able to bring a person like him who is selfless, not coming in with any demand or any desire or any conditions, except that he would like to work for the people of his state and for the party and the region. And that's why I'm very happy to have you with us. And I'm sure that you will add huge value to the party, not just in Manipur, but in the entire Northeast region. But I must warn you, Doctor, there is a lot of challenges ahead. There'll be a lot of work that needs to be done. In today's time, especially in the state of Manipur, the way the political scenario is unfolding, everything will depend on how the president of the party will present our party in that state. If you're able to present the party as the future and as a political party that will take Manipur to its logical conclusion, to be able to take Manipur out of this turmoil that is going through and be the future of Manipur, people will believe. And that is the task that is there in front of you. You will have to meet people. You can't wait for people to come to you. You will have to reach out to them. You will have to meet them yourself. There is no room for ego. There is no room for complacency. There is no room to be sitting and saying, let's see what happens. We will have to take things in our hand. We will have to move forward, take the risk, take the chance, and organize a party so that we are in a position in 2027 to be able to actually be a major player at the state level, maybe even form the government at that point in time. And that's really what we are hoping from you. There's a large expectation. As I said, that Dr. Loro is a very, very calm and cool person. But behind that calmness, there is firmness based on commitment, based on principle, and based on a deep desire to serve the people of Manipur and the region as a whole. So I have great expectations, and let me assure you that as a national committee and as a national president, we will work closely with you to ensure that we are able to organize a party in the right way forward. Mr. Rameshwar, who is also a very dear friend, has taken